The red Rawl plug is probably the one you'll use more than any other, but are you using it correctly? Let's go through exactly what it's for, what size drill bit you need, and which screws pair with it. The red plug, it's your go-to all-purpose wall plug for solid masonry, brick, block and concrete. So, what can you actually fix with it? Basically anything that has a bit of weight to it but isn't heavy structural work. If you're doing anything home DIY into a solid wall, a red plug will cover about 80% of your jobs. Now for the drill bit. You want a 6mm masonry bit. It's worth checking your bit is actually 6mm because they do wear down over time, and a slightly undersized hole means you're forcing the plug in and potentially cracking the wall of the plug itself. The plug should push in firmly with hand pressure. If you're hammering it hard, your hole isn't quite big enough. For screws, aim for a number 8 as your default with the red plug. A number 10 will work, but it's a tighter fit. 5 when you need a bit more holding power. Lengthwise, you want the screw to go at least 25mm into the plug itself, so factor that in when you're choosing the screw length, especially if you're fixing through a thick bracket or batten first. One thing to be clear on, the red plug is for solid masonry walls. It's not designed for plasterboard or dot and dab walls. Push it into a hollow wall and it'll just spin. For those, you need dedicated plasterboard fixings. That's a different video. So, 6mm hole, number 8 or 10 screw, solid walls only, simple. If that helps, hit subscribe and I'll keep the tips coming.